Think of IRA like the word car. So you're thinking student car and SUV car. Likewise, traditional IRA and Roth IRA. But 7 out of 10 Americans do not even know the difference between traditional IRA and Roth IRA. So the IRS actually gave you a raise. You can invest up to $6,500 in your IRA. And if you're 50 years or older, you can actually invest $8,600 in your IRA. But how many people even know about this? That's $625 of tax-free or tax-deferred, and not knowing the right one to pick could cost you tens of thousands of taxes in the year to come. So today I'm going to break down everything. This is not even jargon, in plain English that we're all going to understand with straight examples. So let's get into it today. So option A, traditional IRA. The deal here is this. I pay my tax later. Let me just have a break for now. So you earn $60,000, but you choose to put in $5,000 as your yearly investment plan towards retirement. What happens right now? IRS believes that you're earning just $55,000 because you're paying lesser tax on that money. So 20 to 30 years from now, your money grows. When it comes to withdrawal or you want to take out your retirement money, you're going to pay tax on every single penny of that money. You're going to be taxed because they believe that is your regular income. Option B, we have Roth IRA. We're going to use same analogy. You put in $5,000, but what you're saying to them right now is, I'm going to pay every single tax I have to pay right now, but you have absolutely no right to touch my money, my gains, or anything whatsoever. It's 100% free whenever I want to withdraw my money at the end of the day. 20 to 30 years from now, your money grows to $50,000 and you withdraw everything completely free. You discover that your gain, your capital, the original money, all is intact. Nothing is being deducted. So how do you choose? It boils down to one question. Are you in the lower tax bracket right now compared to where you would be when it is time for you to retire? You choose the Roth IRA if you're early in your career and you expect your income and your tax to be higher in the future, because it's better to pay tax on everything now, knowing that at the end of the day, it's going to be tax-free for you. You choose the traditional IRA if you're in the peak of your earning and you know that you're going to be in a lower tax bracket towards retirement. So now at the end of the day, if you're not sure of where you'll be in the next 30 years, a lot of people lean towards Roth IRA because it's easy to just pay tax on things and know that during retirement, it's completely easy and it's going to be flexible for you to take out your money. But if you still find this a little bit confusing, we run a free workshop every Thursday where we get to share deeper insights beyond what we've shared from here, especially if if you have your investment in 401k from your previous place and you want to roll it over to another place, which is going to be the mega backdoor, yeah. And we also know the way around the backdoor. Just let us know, drop it there in the comments what you want to know and what we need to help you with, and we're going to guide you. So if you need help with all of those, we have videos on that on all our social media handles. The link will be there right there for you in the description. All you need to do is share if this has helped you out, and tell me today in the comments, is it the traditional IRA or the Roth IRA? Drop it for me in the comments and I'll see you in my next video.